Well, greetings, Scorpio, and welcome to your horoscope. Now, Mars and Pluto are together in your third house. And so there's a comfort, especially for Scorpios, in that. It's that this is a time of learning for you. Learning to communicate better, learning to relate to your siblings better, learning to relate to your neighborhoods better, and learning how to transform your environment, which, in my case might be simply raking the leaves. Trimming the hedges and the loose limbs. Winter's coming, and you got to be ready for the onslaught. Some of you've experienced the onslaught already. In our higher elevations, we've had some snow, and we're hoping that continues because it's a good thing. That water's like money. It's like love and juice. We love it. Okay, so Scorpio. It's a juicy sign. It's a water sign. Water signs are juicy. Water signs provide this feminine energy of receptivity. So we're looking at Saturn and the North Node and Venus all together. And all of those luminaries are actually pretty comfortable with each other. And so what I would say is this is a time to get really serious about your art, Scorpio, your creative process. Your key phrase is I create. And the third house helps you with projects. It helps you with working with your hands. It helps you move forward and learn how to do things better. You're on an improvement roll. Now, Sun's in Sagittarius, okay. That's about making money. That's about manifesting. And sometimes that's about dealing with people that friend of a friend, and it's just like, okay, I'm tolerating you just to keep things going. And you're trying to put on a face, you're trying to put on a good image to people. And usually when you got Venus in the first house, you're looking sweet, you're looking good. People love you. You might as well roll with that, because it's the last week of that. And no, I'm not saying it's the last week that people will love you, but it's the last week where you've got that Venus presence in your first house. So, and you want to look at how, Sunday afternoon through Tuesday afternoon, you'll have Moon in Scorpio this week. So those are days when you have more influence. And so you can look to those days as power days for you. But otherwise, it's mostly about your values, putting on a face, maybe singing. It's kind of fun to do holiday songs, Christmas carols, and even Hanukkah songs.